I'm doing this video because I had talked previously in one of my other videos on how to make a hummingbird feeder warmer so that it doesn't freeze in the winter time. And I just have a string of Christmas lights, and I can tell you more about it, but it's on the video that I already shared. So it's on one of my past videos. And you can see the sugar water looks like it's frozen, but then if you move it, you can see it moving on the inside. Also, another way to check it would be to tip it, and you can kind of see it coming out on the little, there you go. See the water? I see it right at the top of the holes. So that's one way to check it. And then the hummingbirds are getting food for sure. And then I have two of them because that helps balance out for the one that's overprotective and tries to guard the whole thing. And both of these are not frozen. Oh, there we go. I'm scaring a hummingbird away. I don't want to do that. But anyway, if you just tip them a little bit, you'll see that they are thawed out right now. So anyway, it's just frozen on the part where it's not getting heated currently. The hummingbirds need it right now, especially the Annas. Well, that's the ones that are here right now. So the other ones, I think they migrate. Yeah, there's an Anna's hummingbird right there. Getting food. So yeah, you just want to keep an eye on them, make sure your lights don't burn out. Christmas lights are working, everything's working. Yeah. So, sorry for the blur. Hopefully you're still feeling pretty good and not too ill from that blurry movement of the camera. Anyway, I wanted to say thank you for watching the video, and I hope you subscribe. And yeah, have an awesome day. It's snowing here. I'm loving it.